Hi, welcome to my sewing room. So today I have May's Quilty Box. So let's dig in. I did cut the tape just for time's sake, but I have not looked in it. Ooh, what do we got here? Ooh, that looks fun. So this month's Quilty Box, Bundles of Inspiration featuring Janine Van Gool. We have our message from Patrick. This tells what's in the Quilty Box and their prices. This is what's inside the Quilty Box Mini and the pricing. Here's the pricing. So you can see all that. And I'll have a link down below. You can go to the website and check it out. They have a 3-month, 6-month, 12-month, or month-to-month option. And depending on which one you choose, the longer month or like a year, it is the least expensive for monthly. And then this is what's inside the Paper Pieces quilting box. And again, that is different subscriptions, but that looks like the prepaid plan is all the same on that one. So I guess it doesn't matter which one you choose for that. Our featured artist is Janine Van Gool, and there's some Q&As with her. And then this talks about Janine's newest collection with Windham fabrics. And this is the sunrise quilt designed by Janine. That is cute. And I guess that's what these templates are for. This tells how to assemble it. Shows how to do it. And then there's also the bear paw throw quilt. That one's cute too. I like that. And then there's a turned apple core table runner by Paper Pieces. So there's a lot in here this month. This is about uppercase. I think I may have got one of their magazines once. It's a really nice magazine if that's the same one I got. Can't remember. There's a picture of the curved pieces. This is about the tips on the curved pieces. And then next, this is a subscriber spotlight, Jory Snyder. And a sneak peek at next month's quilter, award-winning and author and quilter Ebony Love. So let's dig into the box. So we got some templates here. It says Quilty Box on it. I'll open that in a minute. And here is what's in the box. Okay, we got some flower head pins. Let me get the book here. It's 20 pieces or 0.5 millimeters. It says, perfect for curved piecing. Clover's long flower-headed pins are both pretty and useful. These will become your favorite pins. They retail for $4.99. And here they are. Okay. So here is what they look like. And they're very flexible. See that? So there's that. Stick that back in there so we don't lose it. Okay, then we have the Wonderfill Spaghetti COLSP 100 Egyptian cotton, 12 weight, 100 yards, and that is white. Wonderfill thread, $4.99, the retail price. And we have a bunch of fabric here. This is the uppercase fabric. Let's see, what's it say about the fabric? Okay, I guess this is the Circular Logic Fabric Bundle. It says this collection was designed by taking graphic cues From the mechanics of print on paper, the rollers of a printing press, stacks of paper, half-tone dots, and registration marks. This retails for $30. My guess, because it doesn't say, is that there are fat quarters. Or maybe not. No, they're probably not even that. These are not very big. These are probably whatever the half of a fat quarter is. You can see here. Okay, there we go. So we have this one. This one. So they're like the same design, just different colors. I like that color, it's pretty. And this is a sticker. It's a neat design. I like this one too. My battery's gonna die. I need to hurry up. It's blinking at me. And this one. Okay, and then we have these, what are they called? Sunrise acrylic templates. Cutting and sewing curves just got simpler. Enjoy 3 custom acrylic templates to help you create sunrise quilt with ease. Create quilts with similar shapes time and time again with precise templates. And the retail value is $23. We got 3 templates. This one. And this one. And this one. So I'll have links in the description if you are interested in checking out the Quilty Box. Oh, and the Bundles of Inspiration retails for $10. And that includes the 3 patterns. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you like what you see, I hope you will click that subscribe button. Thanks so much. See you again soon. Bye.